You are going to love the 2017 Camaro. Camaro was developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, keyless entry, traction control, power passenger seat, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, air conditioning, dual airbags. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.